Hey everybody, Life's Journey of 50 here. I had a company reach out to me recently called ASMAX. I'm gonna put that here. You'll see this in the camera as well. I got kind of trying to do a camera shot from above for an unboxing event. And this company's trying to break into the communications world, right? So we all know that we've got Senna, we've got Cardo. ASMAX wanted me to give their communication system a go. So I'm going to do an unboxing right now, and then I'm going to put this on one of my helmets, and then I'll come back and give a second round review, a more in-depth review. But I really wanted to kind of just show that there's going to be somebody else that's trying to get into this marketplace. So let me do a couple things here. One, it does obviously mesh. It has intelligent voice commands. It can get 10 people mesh up to 1.8 kilometers range. It has noise reduction. It's got dual chips. It's kind of got all the technology stuff. It has an ecosystem with the apps. 15-minute fast charging. So if it's completely dead, it takes about 15 minutes to fast charge. And then there's personalized LED lighting, so you can make some different lights and stuff on here based on your personal preference. Now, you do have to download an app. It is on Apple and Android, so you do have that. So here we go. So this is the box that it came in. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty well. This right here is the unit. And so ASMAX, I'll put that up there as well so you guys can see it. But yeah, it's kind of like this bluish type cross. It's got USB-C charging. So it does say waterproofing. So if you close that up, it's waterproof. Let me open up the rest of it. Box is pretty neat. I did charge the unit, so I did open this once, but you can see it comes with a USB-C, and that's a cord cable, so that's actually pretty nice, this cord cable, because you don't normally get that. It is a USB to USB-C, so you do have those. Let's see what else is in here. I'll put that to the side. It does come with a full guide. Again, I'll go through all this stuff when I take a look at it, and get it all set up, and I'll walk you guys all through that. It comes with some stickers. Everybody's got to have stickers. I mean, you know, how can you not have stickers, right? So again, care bag that it comes in, so you do get a little carry pouch for it. And it's no different really so far from what I've seen that has all these pieces, right? So you've got the headset, you know, you're going to have the, you know, for your earpieces, got extra ones in case you need it, some 3M tape. It looks like, I'm opening this as we speak, but it's got a clip for the helmet, so you can clip on it all. It's a clip-on piece. It's magnetic, which is kind of cool, and you guys can see that, you know, but it's magnetic. And so again, I'll get this all set up and I'll show you how to do it, but it's got adhesive, and I'll tape all this stuff to it. It's got mic, a couple of different mics, just like just like a Senna or a Cardo unit. It's got the, you know, the mics and all that stuff are put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get one of my helmets. I will go ahead and put all this stuff together, but ASMAX, so I don't know. We're going to check it out and see what this is all about. Again, it does have a 2-year warranty. This is the model F1. The thing that I will be most interested in is how the app works. So is the app, you know, is it easy to navigate? I will download the app. We'll go through all that stuff. 2, since this is new on the market, can you connect to a Senna or a Cardo with this? So if you have others that you're riding with, can you do that? Sometimes those systems don't allow others in, and I know that they've gotten better with upgrades and software, but still there's that different technology between Senna and Cardo, and if ASMAX is a quality product and they can merge with either one, which I will try, especially I have the Cardo units, so I will definitely try with the Cardo units. And so we'll see what happens. But again, unboxing, ASMAX, it's right there. We'll see what's happened, brand new player in the market. And I'm pretty thrilled that they asked me to take a look at it and to test it out. So more to come, but I wanted to share this with you, and we'll see what comes about. You guys can see it right there. I wanted to show this, wanted to see, you know, if you guys have heard of it or not. It's, like I said, it's gonna be brand new on the market, and I'm gonna give it a test out, and we'll see what goes on. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care, bye-bye.